Okay, may napansin ako. Ito, yung binili ko na fresh drink, na cold drink, na wala kasing hot na ganito na hot warm. So, honey iced jelly with, meron siyang nata di coco sa loob, and the taste is so good. I think something, or meron ako naisip na why I always stay in the Islamic State country. Una, in the Middle East, it's also Islamic State country, and also why I always put in Islamic State country, talagang yung mga hindi open city. So ngayon, nandito ako sa Malaysia, and this is the day 2 of Malaysia, here in Malaysia. I really like the country. I really like the taste of the food. And ayun, bakit lagi ako sa Muslim country na pupunta? So ayun, ito yung akin pa-outfit. Ayan, that we are in the Islamic State Muslim country. I'm not wearing often like open outfit. So ayan, pang mami, tita, mga pang conservative costume outfit tayo ngayon and not allowed to vlog 7-Eleven. So ayun, tingnan natin ano mangyayari. Ang sarap nito. Pumuti na ako, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako maitim Yan ang problema. Maputi na ako. Day 2 from Malaysia, ang puti ko na. Hindi ako nag-whitening natural lang niya na sabon. So, baba na natin. Okay, mag-ingat kayong lahat. There's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always, everyone.